Saxony's most splendid ruler Augustus the Strong had great plans for his new property in Groß-Sedlitz that one of his ministers, Imperial Count August Christoph von Wackerbart, had been forced to sell to him. The mansion and the orangery were to be replaced by a palace, and the garden space was to be vastly enlarged. After all, Augustus wanted to celebrate the annual festival of the Order of the White Eagle, which he had founded in style. So he did, but his vision of a Saxon Versailles never became a complete reality. But what remains is very impressive. The gardens are richly decorated with sculptures, and the fruits from the orange trees stand for the golden apples of the Hesperides, which Hercules had to steal as one of his labors, and Augustus wanted to be nothing less than the equivalent of the mythological hero from Greece.